Hey, Tiny Bee Cards, you're on Amazon, but are you the brand they click or the one they skip? I came across your product listing, the Sriracha vinyl sticker, and I wanted to take a closer look. But first, congrats on your 5-star ratings on Amazon. I know how tricky Amazon's policies can get, so seeing this was a job well done. My name is Jewel, a business development representative from my Amazon guy, and I just wanted to share a few ideas that your team might want to explore for improvement. So, in this video, I'll be sharing tips on improving your SEO, traffic, and conversion rate. So let's jump right in. First, let's talk about traffic, and what drives traffic to your listing comes down to your keywords. And looking at your distribution here, I can see you're organically indexing for 4, and this gets you free exposure, but there's still hundreds of additional keywords that you can index for. You can check out this word cloud right here, as these are the most important keywords for your listing. I also see that you're not running ads, and this could mean you're leaving money on the table because paid traffic is actually the fastest way to grow sales. And this can be done profitably if you know what keywords to target. Now, to maximize your reach, we typically recommend a golden ratio of 1 to 2 here. That is 1 paid for every 2 organics for you to index better. Now, down here, you will find the highest search keywords in your category sorted by search volume. So, right now, we are looking at the biggest traffic opportunities, but it's just an empty space right here. So, you're not being seen in any of these highly searched terms at all. And those are missed opportunity for you guys. Say for the keyword sriracha with 60,000 searches, you're not being seen. Kawaii with 22,000 and tiny stickers with 3,500. So imagine the increase in sales if customers can actually find you using these keyword phrases here. Now, here's how big your category is on Amazon. And just in the top 50 listings on the keyword phrase laptop sticker alone, there's over $400,000 in monthly revenue, and the top sellers are getting 14 grand on average. And I see here that there's still plenty of market share that you can tap into. So, for this ASIN, and for some reason, we cannot see your sales and revenue right now, but imagine your brand getting as much as the average. Now, we can help you grow your market share through SEO by focusing on improving your conversions and your click through rates. Now, let's take a look at one of your competitors from the brand 31 4 PI. I don't know if I said that right, pie pie. But this is not to compare products at all. I know there's a huge difference when it comes to the item itself. They're not exactly the same. They're also a little cheaper, or I would say level field. The item count is not the same as well, but I just wanted to show you how they strategize on their keywords and see how we can benefit from them. So this brand was able to sell 841 units. That is compared to, we cannot see it right now, but generating $3,800. And looking at their strategy here, this is what's driving the difference. So they're almost not running ads, just 1 and 0. So that's not a huge difference there. But the difference comes organically. So they're organically indexing for way more keywords than you guys. That's 1,700 versus your 4. And this means more chances of ranking for key search terms. So you see the gap in your numbers there, but we can help you close that gap by running a keyword gap analysis. So that is where we identify your top 10 competitors and integrate their high converting keywords into your own listing. And speaking of keywords, we can share this keyword export here for free if you book a quick call with us today. Moving on to your product detail page, so the overall look of this strongly affects your conversion. The title and bullet points are the best areas for keyword indexing, but you're not maximizing your character limit. So the title can have 200 characters. Right now, it's only at 120. Good job adding 4, but you can actually add 5 bullet points here with 250 to 500 characters each. And make sure that you update these regularly, as SEO is not set and forget. Now your image stack only has 2 images, and this makes your listing look incomplete, but your main image has a white background, so that's good. You can add at least 7 images here. So you're still missing your infographics, lifestyle and demographic images showing us your customer avatar and the product in use, as they are proven to boost conversions on Amazon. And you can also add videos here because they help with your listing's credibility. Now, your A plus content could be the deciding factor that makes buyers choose your product, except you are missing it. So you can make this more engaging by adding visuals and formatting. Let me show you a well optimized example here from one of our works for the brand Age of Sage. On Amazon, large images convert better, and you can use up to 7 modules. You can use a carousel module or image and text overlay. You can also incorporate 500 to 1,000 words of copy to use your SEO and index more. There is even text behind the images, and you can add up to 100 characters per image and include misspellings and Spanish terms there. You can also add a product grade module down below for easy comparison. Another quick tip is a brand story where you can talk more about your brand to increase brand awareness. You can showcase your other products using a carousel and add clickable links to increase your average order value. But yeah, those are just a few tips. If you want to learn more, you can book a free consultation with us using the book a call button at the end of this video. You'll speak with an Amazon expert, learn more about our services, and get a personalized recommendation based on your goals and budget. My Amazon Guy is a full service Amazon agency managing all pillars of Amazon. So whether you're losing rank, overspending on ads, or need help scaling, we bring data backed strategies that deliver real results. Thanks for watching and have a good one.